Okay, now you can straight for come ahead to the football ground here. I'm waiting for you. Thank you. That is very nice. That's a beautiful scenic place here.
From media, GTV channel, and the other one is from CCTV. And I would like to make a comment.
Yeah, definitely. You can ask any question. Lines on the watch. Be careful.
ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് ഓഫ് മെക്കാനിക്കൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് നടത്തുന്ന മെക്മറൈസ് 2011 എന്ന പ്രോഗ്രാമിന്റെ സാങ്കേതികോത്സവത്തോടനുബന്ധിച്ചുള്ള പരിപാടിയായാണ് ഇവിടെ മോട്ടോർ പാരാഗ്ലൈഡിംഗ് നടത്തിയത്. തീർത്തും വളരെയധികം വിജയകരമായി തന്നെ പാരാഗ്ലൈഡിംഗ് നടത്തുവാനായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് സാധിച്ചു. ഇതേക്കുറിച്ച് നമുക്ക് ഗ്ലൈഡറുമായി സംസാരിക്കാം.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, friends. And I, first of all, love to thank you, all the MEC department of Vidya Academy, and dear sir, and thank you very much for the great opportunity to fly in a fantastic place here, and it's so scenic, so beautiful up in the air. And maybe I love to give you a photograph of aerial photograph of your institute and this area when we take up again. And I see a lot of people here, a lot of faces with smiling face. I'm so curious and love to know more about flying and technicalities of flying. And I'm happy to give you all the information, and whatever questions you ask, I can really answer regarding the flying. And I hope we'll have a wonderful session in the noon time over here before our next takeoff. And thank you once again.
പെരുമലയിൽ നിന്ന് ആരംഭിച്ചതിന്റെ അനുഭവത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് ഒന്ന് പങ്കുവയ്ക്കാം.
തീർച്ചയായും സർ, ഞങ്ങൾ രാവിലെ by 9 o'clock early morning ഞങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ എത്തി. And we were asked to take off around 9:30, and we tried our best because there was no wind at all. Actually, almost nil wind. We call it zero wind situation. So we have waited, and by 10 o'clock the wind came almost in a hopeful way. But unfortunately, by that it was the same time where the inauguration was taking place in the auditorium. So we had to take another 1 hour to get airborne. So we were waiting in the shade under a tree. And as soon as the clearance came from the office and from the office bearers over here, we took off from Perumala, and it's a wonderful place, being a conical hill, and wind is coming from the valley, and it is coming, just like a laminar flow, and it was coming up. So I did is I just ran with the engine and be in the upper upward draft, and I got a beautiful lift, And after our aerial, I flew around 3-4 minutes and made sure everything is all right and weather is okay. Though it was a little turbulent because it was around 11:30 when we started flying. So it was a little sticky over there up there. Still we managed to flew around 2.5 kilometer aerial distance from Perumala to Vasa. and it was flying. I was very happy to see all the people. No? So curious. I think it is happening at the first time in India. Yeah. That's beautiful. And, it's very good. Now it happened on behalf of Vidya and on the Mektibar.
Yes.
And one more thing, one more point I want to say is we always used to go to engineering college on all the states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, and Karnataka. And more than we interact with people in public who doesn't know much about this. Now it's a very fun and so substantial and contentful that we should be interacting with people who are learning technology. You know, you are learning technology here in the Vidya Institute of Technology. So it's love to interact with you. So you can ask any questions in our noon sessions, and I will give you all the details about ultralight flights and aerodynamics involved in glider flight.
Okay, thank you.
Right like Hope it will fit me.
Yes.
Of course.